Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to disable and delete rules in Windows Defender Firewall in Windows 10. So if you want to do it, you need to click right mouse button on icon with a start and you need to open Run. Here on Open field you need to type Control and click OK. Control panel will be successfully displayed here, so one thing we need to do is go to System and Security, and here we need to open Windows Defender Firewall settings. From the left panel we need to go to Advanced Settings, and now we need to select Inbound Rules or Outbound Rules. Everything depends on which rules you want to disable or delete. For example, I select here Inbound Rules, and here you should find all rules enabled in Windows Defender Firewall. So for example, I scroll down and I will disable this one rule for Skype. I select it and I click right mouse button here, and here you have option Disable Rule. I click this option, and from this moment this rule has been successfully disabled. How you see, green check icon disappeared. But if you want to permanently delete this rule, you need to click right mouse button here again, and you need to click Delete. Here you will be asked if you are sure that you want to delete these rules. If you are sure that you want to do it, you need to click Yes button. And how you see, rule has been successfully deleted from Windows Defender Firewall. Of course, the same actions you can make on outbound rules, so you can do it in the same way. It's all for today. If I helped you to do it, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Don't forget to check links in description.